Okay, hello everyone. So today we will look at our question 27. So question 27, we have a three-dimensional graph. This one is top view, view above, and this one viewed from the front, and this one viewed from the left. So let's look at the above picture first. So here is the above picture. It actually is our figure 1. And I need to tell you one method about how to do this kind of three-dimensional question. So actually, we can use the label method. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 6 square when we look on the top. This one is the top view. And let's look at it. If we want to look at from the left, how many do we have? Actually, from left to right, this one, figure 3, we have 2, 3, 1. And if we want to look at in front, we have 3, 1, 2. Now we can use the label method to label all the cubes. So actually from left, we can see we have 2, 3, and 1. And from the front, we have 3, 1, and 2. So what does the meaning of 2, 3, 1, and 3, 1, 2? Actually, it means from the front or the left, we can only see two cubes or 3 cubes in our view, and which means from here we can see at in maximum we have 3 or 2 or 1 cubes. So for example, let's look at this line. In this line, we have 1 from here and 1 from here. So we actually in total at maximum number of this cube should be 1, and also this one can only be 1 because in this line only can see 1 cube. And now after that, let's look at that 2. So here is 1, so this one must be 2, and this one we have 3, and this one 3, so which means this one must be 3, and also this 2, and this is 1, so which means this one is 1 because on this row the maximum is 1, only 1. So on this column, the maximum it should be 2. So this one is 2. Now we can label all the cubes on the top. This number means how many cubes do we have if we want to look at it from top view. So after that, we can calculate the area. So actually we have 1, 2, 3 on the top view, 6, and on the left view 6, and on the front view also 6. So we are calculating the surface. So everything times 2. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals to 18, and 18 times 2 equals to 36. So what else? We know if we have a solid geometry, this is a kind of solid geometry, and we want to see it. For example, this one is the cube, and this part we can see some invisible area. So we need to calculate this kind of invisible area and add them up. So this is called the surface of this pile. So the invisible area is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So which 2? This one we have 1, 2. And this one, we know we have 2 cubes here and 3 cubes here. Actually, the top cube on this 3, we have already calculated in our left view. So actually, we have 2 and here and 2 here, which is not invisible area. We cannot see it in our figure. So actually, it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. And the total surface, you should plus 36 and 6. So the answer, total area, should be 36 plus 6 equals to 42. Then we have already found out the answer. So for this kind of three-dimensional question, we need to use the label method to find out the maximum number on the top view and the left view and the front view. After that, to find out what's the maximum number of cubes on this pile. And remember to calculate the invisible area and the visible area. Plus it together, here is the surface. And also this kind of question will ask you to find out maybe the volume. Just need to 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. You need to find out how many cubes do we have and times 1 cube. Then you can find out the volume. Okay?